Hey folks, a little warm again in the upper valley, especially 95 in Rio Grande City right now. McAllen checks in at 90. Everybody else in the 80s, 82 at Port Isabel, 86 in Harlingen. A couple of showers early this morning at the coast, but those are now long gone and the air is really dried out in most of the valley. Look at the humidity at Port Isabel, still 65%, Brownsville still 72%. Boy, that little drive though up I-69E from Brownsville to Harlingen, the air dries out dramatically, and from there westward the air is really dry right now. A dry line front number one basically still kind of hanging out right here. It will back up a little bit tonight. Humidity will build back in, and then tomorrow morning with a secondary push of slightly drier air, it will move back eastward again. Could trigger a shower, thunder shower along the coast again. That's a possibility around dawn, kind of like today. And then tomorrow afternoon, lower humidity, bright sunshine. It looks like a nice day, just a little bit cooler, not dramatically so. Temperature still in the 80s, but with low humidity, it'll feel a lot different than it did at least the first part of today. Now, Friday, we're still partly to mostly sunny. The wind comes back out of the southeast, so humidity starts low, but as the day goes on, it will likely increase. We'll end up with more humidity by the end of Friday. And then Saturday, it's a mix of clouds and sun, breezy and very warm conditions once again. So our rain chances tomorrow morning, about 10%, especially near the coast. A shower, perhaps a thunderstorm. Then we're dry on Friday and again on Saturday. High temperatures, the normal for this time of year is 83. We go 86, 91, and 93, just staying above average, and we do not see a below average day at all anytime soon, not in the forecast whatsoever. Rest of Texas, the big bad weather moving out of the state slowly but surely, still tracking some strong storms near Beaumont, Port Arthur, the Golden Triangle, moving out of the Houston area. They actually had a tornado warning for downtown Houston this morning. All of that has since moved out, but this red area all under a tornado watch, flash flood warning, severe thunderstorm warning. It's messy right on the Texas-Louisiana border. Front number one kind of hangs out and eventually pushes out. The drier air builds in. Then we wait for the next front. The next front not due until Sunday, so we see a warming trend until then. That front could trigger a shower or thunderstorm on Sunday, but at this point it looks like it's not going to cool us off much. Probably another one of those fronts where it warms up behind it and the chance of rain stays relatively low, but there is a chance on Sunday. In the morning at the beach, northerly winds at 22 to start the day. Winds stay out of the north-northeast much of the day. Temperatures in the 70s. By tomorrow evening, the wind's already turning back around to the east. And by the time you get to the end of the week, it's back out of the southeast. High tide in the morning, low tide late tomorrow night. Seas 4 to 6 feet. The bay waters are rough. So 63 is your low tonight. Partly cloudy, a little cooler. Some clouds show up later on. And again, maybe a brief shower near the coast in the morning. After that, we turn mainly sunny and hot. Not as hot as today, and certainly less humid with north-northwesterly winds. So lower humidity tomorrow. A lot of sunshine on Friday. Same kind of thing on Saturday. Sunday, the slight chance for a shower or perhaps even a thunderstorm. Next week, plenty of sunshine. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.